Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a mobile data limit on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then find connections. Right here, select data usage and then scroll down for mobile data usage. For billing cycle and data warning. Right here, you'll be able to change when the start a billing cycle. When does it begin, and in this case I'm gonna go for the day number 5 of the month. Then we can enable or disable data warning and also enable the data limit. Here you can change the amount of the limit in megabytes or gigabytes, and if you choose megabytes, then keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, and in this case I'm gonna go for 1500 megabytes, and that is 1.5 gigabyte. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.